Let's discuss this question next. What does the question say? Prove that cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equal to 6. Now what do we need over here? We already know the value of cot pi by 6, right? If you remember that, that's important. Tan pi by 6 is again standard between 0 to pi by 2. Cosec 5 pi by 6. Now this is an angle which is greater than pi by 2. So for finding this value or for writing this value, we'll have to apply concepts of allied angles. This 5 pi by 6 is very close to pi by 6. It is slightly smaller than, it is very close to pi and it is slightly smaller than pi. What is this equal to? This is pi minus pi by 6. So cosec 5 pi by 6 can be written as, let me write it separately over here. What can I write cosec 5 pi by 6 as? Cosec 5 pi by 6 is equal to cosec of pi minus pi by 6. Now this is actually the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cosec will be a positive value. This is plus cosec pi by 6. This is equal to plus cosec pi by 6. Right? We can use that. The LHS. LHS is equal to what? This is cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6, which is pi minus pi by 6, and plus 3 times tan square pi by 6. This is what I have in the LHS. Now let's take a look at each and every value one by one. Cot pi by 6 will be equal to what? Cot pi by 6 is 1 upon root 3. It is tan pi by 3. So this is 1 by root 3. This is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3, no, 1 by, it's not 1 by root 3, it is root 3, right? Cot pi by 6 will be the reciprocal of tan pi by 6, which is 1 by root 3. So therefore this would be root 3 and the square of root 3 is what you get over here, right? Cot pi by 6 is root 3, therefore root 3 square. What happens to this cosec pi minus pi by 6? It is equal to cosec pi by 6 and the value of cosec pi by 6 is something which we know. And the value of cosec pi by 6 is the reciprocal of sin pi by 6. That is reciprocal of 1 by 2, which is 2. Okay, so this is 2 plus 3 times. What about tan pi by 6? Tan pi by 6 is 1 by root 3. This is square. So 1 by root 3 whole square is what you get over here. What does this give us? This is 3, this is 2, and this is 3 upon 3, which is 1. The overall sum is 6. This is equal to the RHS. And yes, that's the complete proof for this question. Hence, proved. Is that all? Yes, that is all in this question.